So I'm going to bring in a texture that I want to use, and I'm going to show you two ways that you can bring images in to use as textures or as just an image. I'm going to go up to File, Import, and I'm going to bring in a texture that I have that I like a lot and I use, which is this. Now, when you select that, you'll notice here that in the second drop-down box, it says use as image or use as texture. The first one I'm going to use as an image, and I'm going to go ahead and just click import. And what that does is it just brings the image in and allows you to resize it. It will automatically group that image, so you don't have to worry about it sticking to your walls. And you can use that image just as a poster on the wall if you like, and as a singular item. Let's say I want to use that same image, but this time I want to use it as a texture like I did with a lot of the other textures that are already in the house. To do that, I'm going to go up to File again. I'm going to click Import. I'm going to search for that texture. I'm going to select it, but this time I'm going to use it as a texture. And I'm going to click Import. Now here you see it again. And I'm going to size it here, and maybe this I'll just click like that. And you'll see that it actually uses it as a texture. It tiles it across whatever the surface is that you want to use it on. Let's say I want to modify this texture. To do that, you're going to go to Window. You're going to open up your Materials window again, and this time go to Colors and Model. And here you'll find that texture. Let's say I want to use it perhaps on this wall. I can click here, and I can click on the other side, and maybe even here. That's a little much. I'm just going to click undo, and I can use that texture wherever I like. But let's say I want to modify it. To do that, I'm going to select the texture. I'm going to go to Color, and under here I'm going to say Edit. What this does is it brings up a dialog box and allows you to change the size. Here you can see that the texture is actually 2 feet wide. So here I'm going to change it to something smaller, so maybe like 6 inches. And that automatically makes your texture smaller. You can click close, and now when I use that texture again and I use it on a wall, it'll maintain that size. So that's a way that you can use images both as an image but also as a texture.